Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Ridgeline RTL vs RTL-E, which is better. Inspect features, comfort, and value next as we break down trim differences step by step. I will highlight key options, safety tech, cargo versatility, and ride comfort so you can pick what matches your needs. Listen for where each trim saves money or adds convenience, and how those choices affect real ownership and daily use decisions. Compare power and utility closely since both trims share the same V6 and AWD, so performance differences are minimal. Focus instead on usable features that change the ownership experience, like trailer sway control, payload, and available towing aids, which will matter when hauling gear. We will unpack how the trims handle real tasks, from grocery runs to weekend projects, and which convenience upgrades translate to everyday value for drivers and families. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and lets me make more useful comparisons. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick them up. Thanks for stopping by and supporting the content. Now let's get back to the video. Look at features versus price to decide which trim fits your budget and priorities. RTL-E adds creature comforts and tech that many buyers appreciate, but RTL remains a strong value with essential safety and functionality. I will point out options that deliver the most impact and explain when paying extra actually improves daily life versus when it is mostly cosmetic. This helps you decide whether extras are worth the incremental cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.